Okay, I just go to the iPhone. Okay, like Apple. Today I just got the iPhone. Today I just got the iPhone 13, so I'm gonna unbox it and then we see what is in the box. Wow! This is the gold version. I went for the golden. So let's see. Now they don't have the plastic, so now it's like a tab. So like you can see, it's a tab now. So just gonna put this tab here. Nice. Nice. Put it now. Let's see what is in the box.
Amazing!
Ooh. Nice. Okay, then put that to the side so I can get the cable, lighting cable, the manual and those things, yeah, which I'm not going to use. So let's see. Let's see what the bump. They are big. Yeah, they're really big. But they look nice, right? Look nice. Really look nice. So that way, let's hear it. Ooh. That's nice, that's nice. So let's boot it up. Yeah, that's it. I think that's all. The exciting or whatever is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Gold. Nice. Yeah, you see how it's like, it seems like big, but anyway, yeah, a bit big, but you know, I got quite a big hand myself, so not that big, but you know, it will do. Nice one. So yeah, I'll set it up and then I'll get back and see how it is.